Welcome back, my dear student. This is Edwin Diaz from the future. All right. I came back to the course because I want to warn you about something just before you go to the next lecture. All right. So this is what it is. On the next lecture, we're going to be testing out sessions. And if you have this function here, like this session start is not going to work. So make sure that session destroy is commented out, or you can even take it off completely because you don't need it anymore. All right. If you don't have ob_start, if you don't have this function here, make sure you have it on the first line as well. It's good to have it. All right. I might tell you about that in the later lectures, or I might have even told you about it already. But just make sure that you have this function right on the first line, and make sure you have session start, and take off your session destroy. You don't need it anymore because that session destroy is going to destroy all your sessions after this. So, all right. Anyway, if you see other code here that you don't have, do not worry about it. Remember, I'm from the future, and you might not have some of this code here, all right? But if you do, that's okay. If you don't, that's okay too. Just worry about taking off session destroy, all right? Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Or you see my Edwin from the past, and you probably see me a couple more times in the course. Take care.